pages cleft for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side which flowed be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Not the labor of my hands can fulfill thy law's demands. Could my zeal no respite know? Could my tears forever flow? These for sin could not atone. Thou must save and thou alone. Nothing in my hand I bring, simply to thy cross I cling. Naked come to thee for dress, helpless look to thee for grace. Found I to the fountain fly.
What do you say with the Lulu? No, to High Chief Ilma Enwelu, also our kingdom. We don't know our look. So we name a befitting burial that cost millions. And you back here, Ilma Enwelu, also our kingdom. I want to go watch, just watch out some actions in the Melebound. With the short time, we don't know the full video of what happened. Just watch, yeah.
Fountain fly, wash me, Savior, or I die. Wash me, Savior, or I die. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyes shall close in bed, I rise to worlds unknown and behold thee on thy throne. Rock of ages, cleft for me. Let me hide myself, let me hide myself, let me hide myself in thee. Let me hide myself, let me hide myself, let me hide myself in thee. Let me hide myself, let me hide myself in thee.
Watch out, ladies and gentlemen, we are so like nobody be. Listen, we are coming to me like this. And I'm even here, me and no day. Now, who am I? Also, your man. I don't know the number. Okay, everybody, I want to welcome and appreciate the man who made me to be here with his signature. Also,
Chief Senator Koko, you might not see the changing and do it around here. Also, when we go no more, you can't get a book to it here for me. Yeah, but nobody get you go. Nobody get you go. If you are one of the many people. Ladies and gentlemen, Ike, I salute you. May I welcome Super High Chief Emmanuel Elutora is in the building. The Rock, Imperial Commander, powerful member, Pinnacle International, Ancient Bobuga, Drone Boy, Kanu Bobuga, Akoya, Makano, Megose, Memphis, Yendeba. To the right of the Fire Sukumokoye, the Deputy Speaker, Nebraska Assembly, Harris brother, all the way from Namibia. You are highly welcome, sir. The President Commander-in-Chief, Federal Republic of Diamond League, Abatago, Machiaget in the Fechukwu Abatago, Nanewi. I years ago, in Femi Abatago, Super High Chief Kenneth, the Joe me for Koto. You are welcome, sir. Abalance onye Kachukwu, one of us black apple. Abalance. If it's people the name, one of our names are Newi. Chairman CEO of Federal Republic of Diamond League International. Diamond League Constructions. You are welcome, sir. The greatest Adriana of the Gafro is the President of Bunok Constructions. Super High Chief, yes. Chief Brody Babu, Super High Chief Babu Ndaja is in the very are you protected here? Are you comfortable here? Super High Chief, I like to have been there. I thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, don't break it down. This is my inspiration. Please, sir. Don't break it down. Continue playing. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, the president of Pinnacle International just arrived now, and you can see all members standing to exchange pleasantries with our president. Super High Chief Sir Dave Okafor is in the building. One day the number, Igbo Buruburu. One day the number. Super High Chief Nnamdi Chuiyebu. The great Akeze of Baba, Akeze Dendo, no. Akeze of Abatago, Akeze. José Cristóbal en Anglican Communion. Oseji Amato of Atibugo United Brothers. A pioneer member of Pinnacle International. His Excellency Super High Chief Sir Michael Duru Ojebu. The traditional Prime Minister. Machine Gate. I recognize you, sir. You're most welcome. Super High Chief Sir May I humbly recognize the presence of Honorable Prince of your children. Ladies and gentlemen, your genius for the building. The Chairman CEO of Grand Palace Furnitures. Grand Palace. No. Oracle, no. Valkyries Computers Limited and Communications. Ike, I'm here to please get your girls ready.
Obasinachi, His Excellency Super High Chief, a very big brother of mine. Oba, Captain Silibeli, I'm the governor
Honorable Prince of Joshua. Association, we have Robi Enugu and Ebetete. And I will welcome the members of Womaula Ambassadors who will be here.
We say credit for Pinnacle International Friends School. What's your lecture? Just 1 year to be amazed. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to step like this on the stretcher. They're going to step up in that wall. I think they're going to step up in that wall. They're going to step up in that wall. Shake up, go on, let's step up in that wall. Shake up, go on, let's step up in that wall. I make it look so best to what it is. I make it look so best to what it is. Big
give you fun. Do I look like I give you fun? Do I look like I give you fun?
I want to see ladies who are shaking me as if they shake me and the money will come. Oh, yeah, shake that booty, shake that booty, shake that booty. If you don't say you're national original, if you don't say you're national original, I'm a name that feeling call, I'm a name that follow call, I'm a name that feeling call, I'm a name that follow call. Listen, I'm a name that follow call. What's the leader? Don't you do that? We are even in the same thing. Who's coming at the beat for the lesson? So that men with the activate word. So that men with the bomb word. So that men with the activate word. Say, so that men with the bomb word. Chairman, I'm a need this. You don't get
when I get you tomorrow, you got to get your rembe. When I got put in room. Maka efugido n'iru mụrụ echi nwa ihe ga-eme mụrụ gị gaba na n'akụkụ ndị ọbịa Obleke Class Hotel is in the building. I welcome you. Chief Chinedu Ayogo. I also want to welcome Frankie, my man, any day, anytime. You're most welcome, sir. You're most gentle. You're most gentle. Obaka ina ba no do man emma no ma wolo hi chief
They are so.
Super High Chief Chidebele Nwafor. Once again, I salute the powerhouse. The great
Mighty.
I gotta tell you my story. But I'm not take the loneliness. Where the rivers go, never happened to enter the river. Let it go silently on. They say you like me, they love me, they love my beautiful boys. They say there is song, all this song in you, mama. This is your song.
Foundation, duly elected, inducted and inaugurated. Zamal, go through furnitures. If I didn't know Norwegian, no. Okuta na su, okuta na sa. Super High Chief, Honorable Ambassador, Gade Jazimwa Ifekudu. Ladies and gentlemen, Ogranada Galet, Magarino Oganabucho, to shake arrival of the Babu member, Pinnacle International, Super High Chief, Honorable Stanley Okeke, Mayor of Oko, Ato, one of our Bako, Ancient Kingdom, Ato Bako. I say pray, I say pray, stop embarrassing yourself.
Mama yibo nyudo, omo ya niile wundo, ozawolo onyudo, munye onyudo, ona amu amudo, ke iba ye.
Ibata na kitchen, bounce asigi chere. Who goes there on the wedding chiwe? Who goes there on that gap on the wedding chiwe? We shake it. After my back, thank you so much for coming. You're most welcome. Because you're here. Abawa, you're here. Then the pinnacle, no.
High Chief Emmanuel
is my friend. My mother is my teacher. My mother is my mentor. My mother is my counselor. Mana yan believe na Chineke yenye mo meju wetu because when you anya oya happen oge awadu kwa maka na munya na bozo na Abuja na ofuma ayi bulu ofuma ayi bulu ni na anya ayi bulu kende na ngwase when no makode munya bulu makode for 2 years ojo Abuja na almost 2 years but I say but in all this, we have to be praying.
But to me, I know they run for wahala. I smoking like banana. But to me, I love the sheep and cabana. I be gentleman by nature, but I'm okay to my shabby carrizo. If you value me, I will value you. If you love me, I will love you. If you come for me, I will come for you. Let me carry your own cup to spoil my mood. If you get better, no, no, pop. You love me, woman, I've been done so. If I do you feel it, yeah, not so far, they don't know. What I done, what I done, what I done, Make I day my day, make it nobody can do.